What's good, Humble Squad? It's your boy HumbleZiggy, and we back here with another reaction for y'all. And we back with another Freshy Kanal rap battle. And we got Kai versus Cheshire Cat rap battle featuring Conquest and Snakebite126. Now, I ain't gonna lie, the way how this thumbnail look for these two characters, they are awful. It has to be some Disney shit, cause Cheshire Cat, that little purple fuck. If you don't tell me that ain't Disney, I don't know what is. But regardless, don't know what to expect, cause certain rap battles, especially when it comes to a Freshy Kanal rap battle, it gonna be some off the wall ish. That's all I'm gonna say. But regardless, we're gonna check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials up there. And without further ado, let's get it.
The rap battles are now getting their first live performance ever. I'm gonna open the show for Rested, Schwabity, Conquest, and The Stupendium in Cologne, Germany, March 15th. You can get your tickets at the top of the description of this video. See you guys there.
Shit. Make sure y'all go check out their tour. This video contains basically psychedelic type vibe. Kai versus Cheshire Cat.
What a strange little stray, all alone without a home. Make me spiral around you like you're falling down the rabbit hole. Like the spirals in my eyes until you're madder than a hatter. Doesn't matter which way you go, you'll end up on my platter. Next time,
make you madder than a hatter. Don't matter which way you go until you're madder like a hatter. Okay, I'll give you that.
doesn't matter which way you go, you'll end up on my platter. Next time a traveler asks for directions, maybe trying to get some sense. Get rid of the riddles and babbling. My mouth doesn't get that unhinged. All the cannon gets you so high, you get baited into nothingness. I only trust you as a tour guide. If I wouldn't book a tour trip, I'd say stay away from.
Ooh. Run that back again. I'd only trust you as a tour guide. If I wouldn't book the drug trip. Same boy. The only way I wanna go on somewhere with you is if you're a tour guy and I'm going high shit. But yeah, just by how this sounds already, we about to get shit. Hopefully y'all are what I want to put that on y'all. But hopefully some of y'all are probably high off for a battle like this, like on that marijuana time and shit. But shit, catnip gets you high. What if it? Hopefully that's not true, right? Hopefully that's not true, because if it is, well, maybe it is. Hey, you never know what's happening in this world. Something could be totally innocent, and then next minute you know you taste it. I mean, fucking mushrooms. I would never think honest to God. From when I was a little bit younger, I would have never thought. I thought mushrooms was always just on pizza and such. Until when I always watched Family Guy, and then when Brian ate them mushrooms, boy, that motherfucker, that dog was high as a kite. So you never know. True.
Stay away from the new girl when you're doing your furry maneuvers. Try checking the roses your queen has. We know that set up seeing the bloomers. Sugarcoat your out of time. Let me see how your fur tastes. You do what you do best and disappear. Have a merry on birthday.
Damn, have a merry on birthday. Damn. That's kind of cool. Well, that he is a snake, so one thing with snakes, boy, them snakes will eat anything.
Place that's quite confounding. Fiction's real and real is fiction. Try to wrap your head around me. Down here there are no constrictions. Lazy time tells on a Tuesday.
Yep, this is Connor. I can tell. Connor, I don't care how much you're trying to be in character of Cheshire Cat, That's you, nigga. That alliteration right there, the T. You not. I don't care who you try to put you. I don't care which character you're rapping as. I know it's gonna be you.
Your head around me, down here, there are no constrictions. Lazy time tales on a Tuesday. Treetop tunnel with a bunny with a fruit chain. These drums seem fun till you're crushed by an elephant. Squashed till your tip popped off like a toothpaste. You're tied up like a shoelace. Take a place, fresh red flowers on your new grades. It's the season to tiptoe to the tulips. And your blood to the paint for the bouquet. Mind control, but your mind can roll. And the rolls to the mice come home.
Mind control, but mind can roll to the... Like, bro. Connor... I'm sorry. Connor just so nasty with it when it comes to the damn word plays and shit. Like, what? Mind control, but the mind can roll. I can roll. And it rolls to the mice come home. Slither over to Cheshire. Lower your tone, you're such a vocal compressor. All I need to silence this bloke is a de-esser.
I'm sure you get the gist. It's your nature. Once you wake up from the dream, you won't exist. Every time you show up, your antics leave your whole home disturbed. I think it's time this cat is put inside the box like Schrodinger's. I now realize it's no fun to keep on gambling. You gather your mind, catch up to your body, and I'm reveling. Bright lights, mayhem, dangerous fun in my yard. Now go night night.
Why I feel like I'm trans? Why I feel like I'm in the trance of this shit? Like I'm. Y'all see it? Y'all saw me? I'm like, and shit. Now what if so crazy somebody is watching the video and they freaking was hallucinating with the damn shit, forgetting that they're watching a damn rap battle, but they get hallucinating now. They just like that shit.
You gather your mind, catch up to your body, and I'm reveling. Bright lights, mayhem, dangerous fun in my yard. Now go night night, say less. I'm bound to Cheshire Cat. I'm not strike guy, mistake next. Trapped within my heart. And there's twice times you flaked when the cat has got your tongue. The performance is so very sad and it would have fun. Could be such a catastrophe. Why is a raven like a rat in this day? Say daring heart is the sound of a tragedy. Oh, is it mad? Did you all the same dress to go bring me up and do it?
Hey, all I'm gonna say is hopefully nobody was freaking, what's the word? Hypnotized, there we go. Hopefully nobody was hypnotized during this shit. I was for a little bit till I could snap myself out of it. This beat is definitely a beat where it's hallucination. Hey man. Who? Shout out to Darnell saying who got sent to Dreamland? Shit. I don't even think it's either Ka or Cheshire Cat. I think it's the viewer themselves. Shit, I probably was sent there for a little bit. I mean, I don't even smoke like that. If you give me the chance, I might. But I ain't doing no heavy ones. I ain't do no shrooms. That's for damn sure. If I'm gonna get high, I might as well make it be that Mary J, that marijuana, that good old Kush, that one. Alright, if I'm gonna get high, I'm gonna get high off the old-fashioned way, by that Kush, nothing else. But hey, man, y'all let me know what y'all thought about this battle down in the comments below. Which one of them got you more hallucinated? Ka or Cheshire Cat? Let me know in the comments below, cause I can honestly pick a winner. I could just say both of them got me into a trance. But yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this down in the comments below. And like that being said, hit that subscribe button, man. We on the road to 4K. So, and hit that like button too and comment, man. But it's been your boy HumbleZiggy signing out. Stay positive, keep the vibes up. And one more time, shout out to Freshy Kanal, Connor, and Snakebite. And make sure to go check out the live action for when the battle comes there. But either way, shout out to them. I'm out.